Okay guys, we're just looking at a map of parks of the lower mainland. So where is Nairn Falls Park? Okay, we got Garibaldi, we got Whistler. Nairn Falls is right here. It's maybe about 5 minutes away from Pemberton, if that, and maybe about 30k from Whistler. Very, very close to Pemberton. Here's the campsite. We stayed in 31. All right, very loud. We have the Whistler and Highway 99 there. We got a lot of people coming in, parking, and then visiting the falls. Very loud. You got a lot of people always crossing, coming by your campsite. You got the washrooms, recycling, and garbage here. So I try to avoid anything up here.
If you want to stay here, download BC Parks app. Look up Nairn Falls Campground. Now, I wanted to discuss one thing with you. If you see red, meaning reserved, it's booked. When you see green, it's available. That's obvious. The one thing I wanted to mention is if you see a gray box, that means that there was a cancellation, meaning that particular site might be available. There is an electronic lag time. Call them up, or if on site, speak to the park rangers if interested.
Okay guys, we're at campsite 85. Nairn Falls Provincial Park. This is a nice size campsite. Put easy 4 or 5 tents here. Standard picnic table, fire pit. Good shade. Today's a little overcast, so expecting some rain. You'll notice behind you, you will be able to see your neighbors. So that is the issue here at Nairn Falls Provincial Park, is the fact that privacy is very limited here. Okay guys, we're at campsite 83. Okay, this is a nice size lot. Easy, you could fit 3 or 4 tents. Standard picnic table, fire pit is all here. Okay, one drawback might be the washrooms right there, and then also your neighbors right behind you. Okay guys, this is campsite 52, Nairn Falls Provincial Park. This is a great size lot. 4 or 5 tents, easy, standard picnic table, fire pit. There's I'm pretty sure that you can see right there, privacy is very limited at this park, meaning you'll always be able to see your neighbors, right? And over there. So privacy is limited as long as you are aware of that. But the good thing about this campsite is you're away from Highway 99, and 2 is you're going to have this spectacular view of this mountain, which is huge. Mount Currie, I believe. Okay guys, this is campsite 93. I was able to score this for 2 nights. Just got that this morning. Look at this view that I have here. Picnic table, got my chair, just about to make a coffee. Fire pit, tent, and then we got this view. The sun's coming out and nobody behind me. Trying to back out to give you a view, but yeah, this is probably one of the nicest, besides the one right next to me. The view in the background, and I also have the river behind me. So the best lots with the great views. 51 probably has 51 has probably the best view. 93 is not bad, but these ones right here, you got the river behind you, nobody behind you. Privacy is very limited, and if you want these lots back here, you have nobody behind you. However, just because of the vegetation, it's going to be a little bit more buggy on this side, more bugs. On this side, you will have limited shade, and there's a strong wind that ends up coming this way. Less bugs here.